Thales is a very big company with a variety of products in different areas. Our department is actually in the cybersecurity area. Our products are cybersecurity, encryption, and identity and access management solutions. If our customers are better trained with the solution, they will use more, they will buy more, and of course they will trouble our support team less.
Customer education is being a significant part of many purchase of products. We want our customers to feel confident with the product, that they made the right decision. We do believe that learning is done by doing, and by practicing, our students get confidence in the product. This is very important for us, whether it's a reseller that we want them to sell our product, or support engineers that need to support the product and they have confidence in themselves, or the customer that purchased the product and wishes to know that this product really serves their need.
Customer education is not something we do for free, because we believe that this is a value that we sell to our customers.
So training is getting more complex, more technically. So customers are demanding, not requesting, they are demanding for more technical training. And with CloudShare, we actually can do it in an easy way.
I know that if I spin up a class, it will run.
With 5 clicks, I can actually create a class, add the student in additional 5 clicks, and I'm done.
So the virtual labs that we are using actually enable us to add the other part of the training, which is the hands-on training in a self-paced mode. When we adopted CloudShare back in 2018, our training revenue were 750,000 euros. Within 2 years, we actually went up to more than 2 million euros, and that was mainly because we enabled self-paced training using CloudShare.
We selected CloudShare not only due to the technical features and the ease of use, but also due to the support that we get. The product is dynamic, it evolves. I wouldn't be able to talk about it like that with confidence if we weren't really happy with the product. And I'm saying it to you, not to the camera.